Are you a plus-size person with a plus-size imagination? Let's go take a journey. Welcome to Fat Tested Travel. This is Jason Vaughn. I am 345 pounds, 5'8", with a 52-inch waist, and I fat test rides all over the world so you can know what you can fit on. If you'd like to go more in depth, make sure to check out the Fat Tested Travel guide below. But this is Journey into Imagination with Figment. This is the Imagination Institute's open house where we go through all of the different senses. I love this lobby. I think it's a lot of fun. It's like you're going into the Imagination Institute, obviously, with a massive portrait of Robin Williams and Rick Moranis from Flubber and Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. This is the third iteration of Journey into Imagination. The first one was Journey into Imagination, which didn't quite open on opening day, but opened in 1983 to 1998. The second one was Journey into Your Imagination, which opened in 1999, and people did not like it, mainly because Figment was absent. And then Journey into Your Imagination with Figment opened in 2002 and brought back Figment, as well as the original theme song, One Little Spark. As you can see, they're long carts with big benches. The door's a little bit hard to get through sometimes, but as a plus-size person, you'll be perfectly fine. Let's go see Dean and Figment.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the Figment of Imagination.
Yeah, and I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Hello?
Hello?
Who is this?
It's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound, your ears are hearing 1,000 thoughts. Can start appearing, and Dean Jimphus imagines things. From just a sound, your mind has wings.
Fun Easter egg here is the computer that works.
Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, Figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing Figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye.
I say imagination must be captured and controlled.
Imagination works best when it's set free.
If that voice sounds familiar, you'll know that as Dave Goelz, who is also the Great Gonzo and Dr. Bunsen Honeydew from The Muppet Show.
Figment. Figment. He's gone. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination. So let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win 1 cent.
Figment, don't! Oh, God, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind defines what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not
In the original version, Dreamfinder, who searched the universe for dreams and ideas, was part of the ride. While no longer here, he's still a beloved character of Disney fans, and along with Figment is part of the unofficial mascot of the park.
House instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really clowns around. Makes downside up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So, what do you think? Is it me or more?
If you look at the TV, you'll see some video segments from the original ride. Seth Rogen is actually working on a new Figment movie, and there'll be a Figment meet and greet coming back to EPCOT soon. Figment also made an appearance in Ralph Breaks the Internet. In 2022, there was a Figment popcorn bucket that was so popular that people literally waited 8 hours in line the first day to get it.
You see, I knew you'd get it, because you got a wonderful imagination.
I do? Oh, yes. Thank you, Figment. And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
This is another song by the Sherman Brothers, similar to It's a Small World and the Carousel of Progress.
Of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new. One little spark, right up for you. And now we invite you to set your imaginations free in the ImageWorks.
Hooray!
Here as we depart the ride, we have the ImageWorks section. Unfortunately, this is supposed to be a very interactive area, but I don't think it's been updated in at least 20 years. Many fans hope that they will update this area and also bring back Dreamfinder. But there are some meet and greets over here. As you can see, there's Vanellope from Ralph Breaks the Internet. And here's Joy from Inside Out. And yes, although if you're wondering, right beside Figment is the Short Film Festival, and this is usually where Mickey does his meet and greets here. And Mickey is here. I assume they'll be moving him over to the new section they're building when this is done. This is also usually the shortest line you'll ever get to meet Mickey at. Travel at Disney is not a figment of your imagination for plus-size people. Make sure to check it out, and if you'd like to know more, check out this playlist.